Hi there, welcome to English for Everyone. My name's Lisa. Today we're going to talk about a very important exception. You can say, it's a line. It's a long line. So if you describe one thing, we say, it's a long line. Or you can say, the line is long. We say the line because we're talking about this line. The line is long. But if you want to say, be in line, wait in line, stand in line, that is not necessary. Let's look at some examples. I don't like to wait in line. Do you like to wait in line? Good job. Last week we had to stand in line for 2 hours. Did you have to stand in line for 2 hours last week? Good job. And if you see someone and you're not sure if they are in line, you can say, are you in line? Yes, I'm in line. Or, no, I'm not in line. Go ahead. So remember these important exceptions. Stand in line, be in line, wait in line. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn English and practice speaking English, check out the link in the description for more videos just like this one. Bye!